Well, I figure y'all have seen me crank all kind of other stuff around the house, so I might as well crank this. It's a 1981 Cessna 172. It's got a Lycoming 0320 horizontally opposed 320 cubic inch 4-cylinder engine with dual ignition, and figure we might as well go flying. So, get my headset out of my flight bag here. Headset. Now I can hear. Now, got the headset plugged in, as you see. It's pretty cold today. I think it's 40 degrees, so it's a little warmer than it was before. Oh. Get everything out of my pockets. Now, fasten the seat belt here. I've already done my pre-flight, so that's good to go. Shut the door. Now, if I can get the key off one of the instruments, there we go. As you can see, 54102 is our tail number today. And key goes right there. Master switch, which we'll need to turn on in just a second. We'll need to push the mixture full rich, crack the throttle a little bit. Now, lock the brakes. That's the parking brake handle. Brakes locked. Turn the master switch on. Hear the avionics fan and the gyros. Low voltage light comes on, as it should. Primer. It's a cold day. I'm going to give it 3 shots of primer. This is injecting fuel directly into the cylinders to aid in starting, so I don't have to get starting fluid out. Seen it done though. So, got the throttle there. Turn the key to both. Open the window. Clear prop. Close that window because it's cold as crap. And we'll see what she does. Yep, fired right up. So what we'll do now is turn on the avionics, which is our radios. Garmin 530. I'm gonna suit up, put the headset on here. Taxi to the active runway, which today is runway 21. Guys got his parked in our way. Right, we'll get this way to get to 21. I'm going to point the airplane this way so I can see who's ever flying around out there while they're on approach. Now, we'll do the run-up. What we do in the run-up is check to see that the engine's going to run like it should. Our tachometer's over here, and what we'll do is rev the engine up to about 1700 RPM. And once we've got it about 17 or 1800, we'll check the magnetos. So we'll check the left one first. RPM drops a little bit, but not much. Now we'll check the right one. RPM drops a little bit, but not much. Now we'll check the carburetor heat. Goes down a little bit with the carburetor heat. Then we idle it down to see if it'll still run while it's got carburetor heat on. And it does. So now, we're going to do our last check before we go flying, which is the tightness of the throttle nut, the temperature, which we don't have yet because it's still cold, the trim. We've got the trim set. We got the master on, mixture in, pitot covers off, if it focuses. There we go. Primer's locked. We'll set our panel here. Field elevation is 165 feet. We'll set our directional gyro with the compass to about 80 degrees. Yep, about 80 degrees. We got our hatches both closed. Got my harness on. Got my fuel on. Got my flaps up. We got free and full movement of the controls. As I'm sure you can see the aileron moving out there. That one's moving. If we look back, the elevator moves. And the rudder moves. So we've got everything moving the way it should. And we'll be ready to take the runway in just a second.